Hello everyone, this is Anmol and you are watching the Daily Hindu Editorial with new topics. It is important for MPSC Rajya Seva and I'm damn sure that you will get tremendous benefit in your exam. So let's start our today's topic e-rupee to bolster Indian economy. India is witnessing massive growth in digital transactions. The volume and value of unified payments interface, that means UPI, transaction increased by 118% in 2022. India's digital rupee move based on transparent and efficient technology will provide customers with continuous access to the payment system. India launched its central bank digital currency CBDC or digital rupee or e-rupee on December 1st, 2022. It is an electronic version of cash and will be primarily meant for retail transactions. The pilot will initially cover the four cities of Mumbai, New Delhi, Bengaluru, and Bhubaneswar. This makes it important to know what CBDC are, how they are different from cryptocurrencies and UPI transactions, and also about the safety concern associated with it. What is CBDC or e-rupee? It is a legal tender issued by the RBI in digital form. It is the same as the fiat currency and exchangeable one to one with the fiat currency. E-rupee will be in the form of a digital token representing a claim on the central bank and will be effectively function as the digital equivalent of a bank note that can be transferred electronically from one holder to another based on uses and functions performed by the digital rupee and considering different level of accessibility. The RBI has democrated the digital rupee into two categories: retail e-rupee and wholesale CBDC. Retail e-rupee, it is an electronic version of cash primarily meant for retail transactions which can potentially be used by almost everyone and can provide access to safe money for payment and settlements. Wholesale CBDC is designed for restricted access to select financial institutions. Financial transactions involving government securities and interbank transactions could be transferred by this technology. It also makes the capital market more efficient and secure in terms of operational costs, use of collateral, and liquidity management. How will the e-rupee be calculated in the market? E-rupee will be issued in the same demonetization as paper currency and coin and will be distributed through the intermediaries, that is banks. Transaction will be through a digital wallet offered by the participating bank and stored on mobile phones and devices. Transaction can be both person to person P2P and person to merchant P2M. For P2M transactions such as shopping, there will be QR codes at the merchant location. Users will be able to withdraw digital token from banks in the same way they can currently withdraw physical cash. They will be able to keep their digital token in the wallet and spend them online or in person or transfer them via an app. What are the advantages of e-rupee? Reducing dependency on dollar. India can establish digital rupee as a superior currency for trade with its strategic partners, thus reducing reliance on the dollar. This occurs at a time when India is already in talk with Russia, UAE, and Saudi Arabia to allow settlement of trade in the Indian rupee, cutting cost of maintaining physical currency. CBDC has the potential to reduce dependency on cash to the extent large cash uses can be replaced by CBDC as the cost of printing, transporting, storing, and distributing currency can be reduced. Regulated intermediation. Along with reducing operational costs, it will offer the public the same feature as any private virtual currency. that means cryptocurrency, without any risk associated with it. Unlike crypto, e-rupee has a regulated intermediation and control arrangements that play the crucial role ensuring integrity and stability of the monetary and financial ecosystem. Globalization of payment system. CBDC can also enable a more real-time and cost-effective globalization of payment system. It could eliminate the need for an expensive network of correspondent banks to settle cross-border payment. For Indians working abroad, sending money home will become simpler and cheaper, resulting in huge saving for India, the world's top recipient of remittance. What are the challenges associated with e-rupee? Privacy and security concern. E-rupee has the capacity to accumulate sensitive users and payment data on massive scale. In the wrong hand, this data can be easily used to spy on the private transaction of citizens. If implemented without proper security protocols, an e-rupee could substantially amplify the scope and scale of many of the security and privacy threats that already exist in today's financial system. Digital divide and financial illiteracy. High level of digital illiteracy is the biggest challenge and hindrance in success of e-rupee in India. India had a rank of 73 out of 120 countries for internet illiteracy 2021. Also, digital services are not available in local languages, which is a major barrier to financial literacy. Acceptability concern. Traceability of rupee transactions could become a deterrent to its uptake in India, where cash transactions are still hugely popular, largely because of their anonymity. According to government data, the volume of bank notes in circulation rose 5% in fiscal year 2022. What should be the way forward? Secure digital environment. India's regulatory system need to catch the evolving risk of data privacy and guide banking institutions to place appropriate safeguard and cushions to avoid any personal data breach. Strict KYC norms. A digital rupee may well be a boon, but there is a need to enforce strict compliance of know your customer, that means KYC norms to prevent the digital currency used for terror financing or money laundering. Also, given India's still vast digital divide, a protocol for offline use has been worked out. Thank you so much. If you like this, the Hindu editorial analysis, please like, subscribe, and share with your friend. Thank you so much.